Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off a Casio scientific calculator. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this tutorial video. So as you can see right here, this is a Casio scientific calculator, okay? Now on most of them, you're gonna find an on button, which is right here. So I'm gonna press this, and as you can see, I've now turned the calculator on. But I know you're wondering, how do you turn it off? A lot of these will have an automatic off feature after a certain amount of time, or when there's a lack of sunlight or brightness or anything like that. But if you want to turn it off to preserve the battery life, then this is the video for you. So what you want to do is look along the calculator, and you're going to look for an off lettering, okay? And where it says off, it's probably going to be in a different color, and it's going to be above a button. So if you take a look right here where my thumb is, above the AC, it says off, okay? Now that off is in yellow lettering. So I'm going to correspond the yellow lettering to the yellow lettering button. You can see shift is yellow lettering, alpha is red lettering. So to get to the yellow lettering functions, I need to push the shift button, sorry about that, and then push the corresponding button on the calculator. So to turn it off, I push shift, and you can see a little shift icon opened up on the top there. It looks like it's an S. Yeah, it is an S for shift. And then we're gonna push AC because off is the shift version of the AC button, and we now turned it off. So to turn it on, very simple, you push the on button, and to turn it off, you look for the off lettering, push the corresponding button, which is shift, and then push the AC button because that is where the off is. There you go. Turn it on like that, turn it off like that. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.